Welcome back again to LA Car Accessories. So for today's video is we have this Mazda MX-5 and we'll be installing our R30S Dashcam. So in this video is makikita natin yung installation process kung paano siya ginagawa ng mga professional installers natin. So this rear view mirror dashcam is a very practical upgrade for your vehicle. This replaces your stock rear view mirror but at the same time it functions as a front and rear recording camera, giving you extra safety and protection while driving. So it records 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera, so you can get very clear and detailed footage. You know what guys, this is very important especially in case of accidents or road incidents because clear recordings can help serve as evidence when needed. Another great feature is that it has phone application accessibility. You can easily connect it to your phone where you can view, save or delete recordings anytime. It also has a built-in parking guide when you are on reverse, which helps you park your vehicle more safely and accurately. And when it comes to storage, this supports up to 128GB, giving you more space to store your driving recordings. That's why having a dashcam like this is very important nowadays. It helps protect you from false claims, record unexpected incidents on the road, and gives you more peace of mind while driving. So if you want to upgrade your vehicle and have your accessories installed professionally, we are here to help. Just visit LA Car Accessories for more inquiries and let our team provide you with quality products and professional installation for you.